Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Accessibility because Samsung places speech features there. Once done, press Home, navigate to Settings, then General and select Accessibility. You're doing this to find voice guide or audio description quickly. Those features narrate on-screen text. If the menu looks different, make sure your firmware is current. Updates can move options. Now, keep the remote in your hand and look for voice guide or caption settings. That's where the talking is controlled. Next, you disable the actual speaking features. Once in Accessibility, find voice guide and switch it off. This stops spoken menus and notifications. Make sure to also open sound options to turn off audio description. That narrates program audio. Then check captions or subtitles and set them off or language to none because some TVs pair captions with voice. You do this because different features can cause talking. Turning each off ensures the TV goes. Finally, you confirm the change by restarting the TV, power it off, wait 10 seconds, then power on. If the voice returns, perform a power cycle by unplugging for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Sometimes settings need a reboot to stick. If problems persist, reset Accessibility to default so hidden toggles clear. Make sure to document which menus you changed. If nothing works, contact Samsung support or use the SmartThings/remote app to double-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.